Alright, we're going to continue working on this trailer. Start working on this frame, one of the biggest pieces. Shouldn't take too long. The one problem I had was this rust right here. And I was going to try and fix it, but the boat weighs about 500 pounds. And there is plenty of fat, plenty of weld, plenty of meat to hold that. It only sets right here to hold that up there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut off so much of each side of this. And I'm going to cut off the bottom of that front one that has some rust. And I think we'll be good to go to start grinding on it and get this thing painted. So let's get to work. We got that primed. Got to flip it over and do the other side. And we're just about done. I see light at the end of the tunnel. Got that primed. Got my pieces primed. Uh-oh, I haven't looked at that yet. That'll be after I get painted. Alright, I'm going to start on this axle while I'm waiting for that paint to dry. And before I start, I just would like to ask a favor of you. If you're watching my videos and you're getting something out of them, I'd just like you to subscribe. I know a lot of people don't subscribe to anything, and it doesn't cost you anything. You just got to hit that red button down below, and that helps me get up in the search engine. That's all. When people look for something, YouTube will direct them to people that have a lot of traffic. So if you'd subscribe, I'd appreciate it. And I'm going to finish this axle here, grind it off and prime it. I've got the first coat drying, we'll get the second coat, we'll get this trailer back together. The first thing was I used Rustoleum heavy rust primer, and comes in brown. They have a light rust primer that comes in different colors, and if you have a light rust, you can use that. Then I used the canvas white Rustoleum paint. I found that to be good. And on the axle, I used a hammered black, which is something I already had laying around. So that's the three kinds of paint I used. Alright, all the parts are painted. Got them all laid out. We're ready to put it back together. So I'll get started. Bought all new bolts, zinc bolts with clinch nuts, cinch nuts. So we'll start putting it back together. I'll just show a couple pictures of putting some things back on, putting the bolts in, and just getting some odds and ends put together. You can just kind of watch along and watch the progress and see how it goes. So I'll just let the pictures speak for themselves. Alright, that's going to end this series on redoing the trailer. I got a few odds and ends to do. I'll get them taken care of. I got to get this boat out of this tent, get this tent taken down. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you learned something. Hope you do your own trailer next time and make it look decent. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I got some other stuff coming up.